Wow, trains are so much fun. His is cool. And our next one is boats. A nice boat we should never. Do you know anything about boats?
A boat, something awesome and humble, and I can float the moon. I'm like, I can wow. My favorite kind of weather is summer, because then all the fish come out in a better time. Oh, also I get cotton candy.